Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and yes, it's possible. Cinnamon rolls and pancakes. We could put them together and make cinnamon roll pancakes. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our flour, we have milk, powdered sugar. These two dishes we have brown sugar, cinnamon, butter in these two dishes, vanilla extract, cream cheese, canola oil, 1 egg, salt, baking powder, and sugar. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is make our cinnamon filling. So we're just gonna add our butter here to this dish. You can either melt it or have it halfway melted like this. I just let it sit out here at room temperature for a while. That way it gets kind of soft like we want it. Then we're gonna add our cinnamon, our brown sugar, and we're gonna give this a mix. And it's kind of gonna form a sort of a paste. That's why you wanna make sure that your butter is at room temperature. You don't want to fully have it melted because then you have to wait until it thickens back up. This way you get it just like this with that paste. That way you can squeeze it onto your pancakes. All right, just like that. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna scoop this out of here and I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag like this. And guys, we're gonna sit this aside. Let's seal it up. And what you're gonna do, you guys know this trick. You're gonna cut a hole right here at the end, and then we're gonna, once we start baking our pancakes, we're going to spread it all on our pancakes like that, all right? Now we're gonna make our cream cheese glaze, and we're gonna start out by adding our cream cheese here in a bowl, along with our butter. And we're just gonna get this mixed up, and we're gonna do that until it smoothens out. All right, now we're gonna add our powdered sugar here, along with our vanilla extract, and we're gonna stir this until it smoothens out. Guys, and just like that. All right, let's move on to the next step. So now we're gonna make our pancake batter. We're gonna add our baking powder to our flour. Add our sugar, whisk this in real quick. All right, now we're gonna go in with the remaining of our ingredients. We're gonna add our vegetable oil, salt, our egg, and our milk. Just gonna add a little bit at a time of that milk, kind of get it whisked in real quick. Make sure we get the right consistency that we want with our pancakes. Add a little bit more. And that's where I am with my consistency. You don't want to over mix it. So all right, so now we're gonna head over to our cooktop to start cooking. Now's the fun part. Start preparing and cooking the pancakes. But you're gonna need a non-stick pan, and I got one for you. I got my MSMK Nonstick Pan. Listen, if you never had the right non-stick pan, you don't know what you're missing, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna turn our cooktop on, get that pan heated up over a medium heat. So while our pan is heating up, let's talk a little bit about our MSMK Nonstick Frying Pan. Their frying pans come with a non-stick technology coated with a triple layer of non-stick material, tough titanium ceramic diamond compound to make them super durable. This way you get restaurant quality meals at home just like a pro chef. The pan's Y-shaped structure allows the handle to dissipate heat effectively and keep the handle cool continuously. The seal design with a stainless steel surface, refined polishing prevents any soup or sauce from getting inside, making it easy to clean. Plus, the hole at the end of the handle allows for easy hanging on the wall, saving valuable storage space in your cabinets. And the feature I like most about these pans is the 4mm thick, smooth stainless steel bottom, and the pot design with the thick mouth and thin body, which allows for more even heat distribution. Therefore, you're able to create the perfect omelets without burning the bottom of your induction hob. The smooth bottom is designed to avoid scratching up the glass hob. Plus, it heats up 15% faster than other cookware. And another key feature is the oven safe to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Common pans can only make it to 450 degrees. Think about that. With the MSMK cookware, you can seamlessly transition your sauteed dishes straight into the oven for the final changes,
700 degrees Fahrenheit, safe without sacrificing taste or quality. The non-stick coating adds ease, efficiency, and peace of mind to your cooking experience. So guys, you definitely want these sets of pans in your house. I'm gonna leave the link in the video description below so you guys can go check them out. Because if your kitchen doesn't have an MSMK frying pan set, then you're not really doing any cooking. So let's get back to these pancakes.
Once that pan heats, you wanna add your pancake mix. I'm doing like 1/3 of a cup. All right, and once you start seeing those bubbles there, you wanna take your filling and you just wanna work your way around pancake like that. Be careful not to hit those edges. And we're gonna let that baby cook about another minute or two before we flip it over. All right, guys, we're gonna flip this baby over. Guys, take a look at that. Nothing, no butter needed, nothing. We're gonna flip this baby over and we're gonna let it cook for another minute or two. Then we're gonna remove it. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man. So now we're gonna sit this in the cooling rack while we prepare the remaining of our pancakes. All right, so we're finishing up with our last pancake. We're gonna go ahead and remove this baby out of here. We're gonna put it in our warmer, and we're gonna head over to our cutting boards into our final presentation. All right, before we head over to our cutting board, let's not act like this MSMK Nonstick Pan ain't the truth. Guys, look at that. We cook pancakes in there, and all I gotta do is this. And that baby clean. That's it. It's clean. I'm gonna leave the link to this pan in the video description. I'm telling you, you need this one in your kitchen, all right? Let's head over to our cutting board. There you have it, Cinnamon Roll Pancake. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, guys. Let's jump into quality control because it's time to test them out. Let's go. All right, back in here, quality control time. You see who I got with me. I got my partner in crime, Leia here. She with me. She love pancakes. Man, she eat pancakes almost every morning. If it ain't pancakes, it's waffles. So you know she want to be a part of this quality control right here, man. Man, hold that fork right there. We're gonna bring these pancakes to the front of the congregation. Guys, look at that. And man, I ain't even take them out the cutting board. We finna go ahead and just dip right into them. What you think about how they look, man? They look too good to even kind of just cut into them.
I just can't do.
It's cute. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead with them all. Oh man. Hey, you like cinnamon roll?
Oh, I love cinnamon roll.
Me too.
I ate it when I was in daycare.
God. I'm telling you. Oh man. Fluffy. Oh man. I think man, you gonna sit here and we gonna eat all this right here. What you think? Look at her, she can't even stop eating, y'all. She can't even stop eating. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here because we got about 4 pancakes that we finna fight over. And we're gonna see who's gonna win. Because I love them and she love them. So, till then, y'all already know who I am, but I'm gonna say it again. I'm Spinelli, and let them know who you is.
I'm Leia.
Let them know who you is. Hey, you know that's that Southern. Let them know who you are.
Leia.
Leia. And this is All Wings Everything. And remember, we're not chefs.
We just cook a lot.
And we are out.
Peace.